Hello, my name is Charles Griffin. I'm a member of the Snake Team Capstone Project, along with Elise, Rossi, and Navjot, Brar. And what we've designed is a video game that uses LED matrix displays. In this video, first I'm going to show you how the game works, talk a little bit about the process of making it, some of the fun that we had along the way with it, some of the things that were hard with it, and yeah, essentially that. So what the game is you turn it on, and you get this little startup display that happens. And I'm going to move this really fast. You have this little startup display that happens, and what you have is your remote control right here and the display over here. So you act as one of the dots, and the goal of the game is to reach the other dot, touch it, and then that'll generate a new dot. And as you touch more and more of the dots, you go faster and faster. That's the basic idea of the game. And then if you contact a wall, then you get the game over screen, and then it starts over again in the original position. So you can keep playing. So we originally conceived this project in embedded systems. We had used a knob to change a numeric display, and from that we figured, well, if we can use a knob to change numbers, why can't we just use a joystick to play a game? Similar concept. The different components of this design are, we have our display, we have our actual LED displays right here, we have our LED drivers here, which communicate with our MSP430 processor over here, and then we have our power supply. So we have 4 AA batteries, and then we have voltage regulation up here that brings the 6 volts that these 4 batteries provide down to 3.3 volts. Additionally, this jack right here is to plug into your computer using what's called a SPI-by-wire interface, which just makes it easy to program. Yeah, over the course of this project, we had to design circuits in multisim and bring those and actually design a printed circuit board at the end of the day. Some problems with testing. When we initially got our circuit boards, we had some problems with it. We had to resolder this because some of the wires weren't quite correct. So we had to resolder there. You can see it on the bottom there a little bit. The resoldering had to be done. But yeah, this was developed over the course of the semester, and it was a really enjoyable experience. We learned a lot about testing. We learned about being able to adapt along the way relatively quickly, being able to experiment with new ideas and new ways of thinking. And overall, it was a really good experience, and we enjoyed it a lot. And now we have a cool little game we can play. So, thank you for listening.